Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I am also fine. Yesterday we have solved 7 question of exercise 13.5. Today we will start question number 8. Let us start. What will be the side of a new cube if a solid cube of edge 12 cm cut into 8 cubes of equal volume? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. Question says that a cube this one is a cube. This cube, this has side 12 centimeter. We know that all the sides of cube are equal, then this one also 12 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. All our sides are equal. Then this cube is divided into 12 equal parts. Then here we divide it into 12 equal parts. Then we know that volume of 12 cubes is equal to the volume of this cube. Then we cut here this such that volume of all 12 cubes is equal to the volume of larger cube. Then this cube is divided into 12 parts. Okay. Now here we have to find the side of smaller cube. The smaller cube into 8 cubes. We have to divide this into 8 parts. So this one is smaller cube. We can say the side of smaller cube is A. Then all the side will be also A, and here height will be A. And here volume of larger cube is equal to A cube means 12 cube. Then we can calculate this. Then this will be 728 centimeter cube. And let the side of smaller cube is equal to A centimeter. Therefore volume of smaller cube is equal to A cube. Then volume of 8 smaller cubes is equal to 8 into A cube. Because volume of one smaller cube is A cube, then volume of 8 smaller cube will be 8 into A cube centimeter cube. This one is the volume of 8 smaller cube. And also we know that the volume of 8A cube will be equal to the volume of larger cube, because the larger cube is made by the 8 smaller cubes. Then according to problem, 8A cube is equal to 1728. Then A cube is equal to 1728 upon 8, and we calculate this. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, or 8 6 are 48. Then a cube is equal to 216, and we can put here a cube is equal to 6 raised to power 3. We can take equal power of base. Then a equal to 6, because taking cube root to both sides. Taking cube root of both sides. If we take cube root of both sides, then cube to cube root cancel, then a equal to 6. So require as of new cube is equal to 6 centimeter, because this one is the as of smaller cube which made from the larger cube. Then we have to find the second part. It says that also find the ratio between their surface areas. Then let S1 is surface area of larger cube, and S dash is S2. S2 is surface area of smaller cube. Therefore, S1 upon S2 is equal to S1 6a square, and this one also 6a dash square. A dash is the edge of new cube, and a is the edge of larger cube. Then 6 to 6 cancel, and S1 upon S2 is equal to a cube. A square means side of square of the side of the larger cube. Then this one is given 12 square upon the side of new cube is 6. Then square of 6 will be this. Then S1 upon S2 is equal to 12 upon 6 whole square. We can calculate this 2 times, and S1 upon S2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Then required ratio is equal to 2:1. Okay. Next question is, a river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. Then find how much water will fall into sea in a minute. A river is in the form of a cuboidal shape, and this one is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. The rate of the flowing 2 km per hour. Then we can take a length of the cuboidal river 2 km. The rate of water flowing is 2 km per hour. Then the length of the water will be 2 km in 1 hour. Then we can say the length of the cuboidal river in 1 hour will be 2 km. Then we can find the volume of the water in 1 hour, length into breadth into height, and length we can take 2 km. Then how much water will be fall into sea into 1 minute, and also we can find the volume of the water in 1 minute by the volume of 1 hour. Here let this one is river, this one is river, and rate of the water flowing is 2 km per hour, and the depth of the river is 3 meter, and breadth of the river is 40 meter. Then we can change all the dimension in meter. Here is given 2 km. Then we can say that in 2 km 2000 meter per hour. Then here speed of water is equal to 2000 meter per hour. Then here breadth of water, breadth of river is equal to 40 meter, and depth of river is equal to 3 meter. That means height of the river. Then here volume of water in 1 hour is equal to, then volume of water in 1 hour will be speed into 40 into 3 meter cube, meter into meter into meter, meter cube, and 2000 into 40 into 3 we can calculate after this. Then here this one is the volume of the water in 1 hour, and water, this one is 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes we can say this. The volume of the water in 60 minutes is 2000 into 40 into 3, and water in 1 minute, then we divide to 2000 into 40 into 3 upon 60. If we divide by 60, then we can find the volume of 1 minute, meter cube. And here we calculate 22 the 23 the 3 to 3 cancel, and this one is 4000 meter cube. The water will be fall in sea 4000 meter cube in 1 minute, and we can find this into liter also. Then 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter, and 4000 meter cube is equal to 4000 into 1000. Then here 4 and 3 zeros and 3 zeros, 6 zeros, 3 and 2 5 liter. Then this can be write as 4 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 liter. So this water will be fall in sea in 1 minute. Okay, this exercise is complete, and now we will start exercise 13.6, the volume of cylinder. And here we know that what is cylinder. Cylinder is made from a rectangular sheet, and what is the volume? Then here we will tell about volume. We know that this one is cylinder, and also know that the volume of a solid, if base and top is identical, then volume will be equal to base area into height. Then base area is circular, so volume of cylinder is equal to base area into height. So base area means circular area will be pi r square, and into height means we can say this h, and this one r, pi r square into height h. So the volume of cylinder will be pi r square h unit cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Then here this formula we will apply in exercise 13.6. Let us solve. Question number first is here. If the circumference of a base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and the height is 25 centimeter, then how many liter of water can hold it? It is given that 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So here is given a cylindrical vessel. This one is cylindrical vessel. This one is cylindrical vessel and the circumference of the base. This one is circular. Then C is equal to 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Then we know that we can say this R radius. Then C is 2 pi r. This implies that C is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 132. And here 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132 and r is equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 1 22, 22 6 2 1 2 3 r equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the cylindrical is equal to 21 centimeter and volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. As we know, pi r square means 21 into 20, 1 into h is given 25. 7 3 then we calculate this. 22 3 66 into the product of 21 into 5, then this will be 2100 half 1050 1050 and 1050 575. Calculate this again. 25 1 25 7 25 1 25 carry 2 25 2 50 52. Then here 66 into 525. The calculation will be equal to 66 into 525. Then here we can multiply 525 into 66. 6 5 is 30 carry 3, 6 2 is 12 3, 15 carry 1, 6 5 is 30, 31, 31. Again 6 5 is 33, 6 2 is 12, 12 or 3, 15, 1, 6 5 is 30, 31. Again 0 5 1 3 and 0 5 6 4 3. Then this one is 34650 centimeter cube, and we know that 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter, and it is given that 34,650 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 1000 into 34,650. Then cancel this and we can put the decimal before place 2 digit 34.65 liter. Then the cylindrical vessel can hold 34.65 liter of water. Okay, enough for today, and in next lecture we will be solve other remaining questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.